I'm Woody and I'm Chief Mechanic at Multimatic. We started off in Great Worth in 2016 and we were there until 2019 when we moved here to Arrow Park in Brackley. So at Great Worth we had kitted out the whole building with Bott equipment and we were very happy with it, and luckily we were able to bring about 95% of it to the new premises. Everything was reutilised here and we were able to get some more Bott equipment in to fill this much larger premises, so that was really good.
We have the high-level cabinets behind us in the comps bay for storage of materials that we like to keep together, polishes, waxes, things like that. And we have a display board that's got tools on like a pegboard, so you can see if they've been put back and they're in the place they need to be for when you need them next. It's really easy to keep the Bott equipment clean. Everything gets dusty, but on a Friday we can just go over it with a damp cloth or kitchen cleaner or something like that and wipe it all down. It's useful if we have a small job that needs doing out there in the workshop. We can just wheel a whole trolley along with all our tools in, and it's there in seconds for when you need it.
The Bott equipment is very accessible. You can see behind me we've got all our tooling equipment laid out very neatly and very accessible, so for doing tool changes it just cuts down time. When I joined Multimatic, it was good to see that they had Bott cabinets. I used them at my previous company, so I knew that they're good strong drawers, didn't have to worry about tools falling on the floor, and it was easy for me to bring all my tray layout straight into to these cabinets.
One of the things that we're very happy with about the Bott equipment is that the work surface is not a hard surface. It's got some give to it, and so when you're working with valuable, expensive components like we do, if somebody drops something onto the surface, it doesn't damage it. So we really like this work surface.